Hello, welcome back. Today we'll discuss about NTP protocol. So what is NTP? NTP means Network Time Protocol. It is used to synchronize the computer's clock time in a network. That means we'll configure one server as NTP server and all the routers and switches will get they're synchronized with the timing of that server. Okay. So first thing, what we'll do, we'll go to the server. Here we have two servers. I'll take this second server. Okay, in this server, I have to configure NTP. So I will make this on. Okay. Now I will change the date here. So today is March 6th, and the time is 11:24. So I'll go here 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, then 24, right? Make it 25. Sorry, this one to change 25, but then 00. Okay, 00 a.m. Okay, keep it like this. Okay, 11, now we 35, 25, right? 25. Now it's 11:25. It's March 6th. Okay, I set the time in my server according to the clock time in the computer and enable the NTP server. It's off. Okay, actually default on only. If it is off, make it on. Okay, I'm not giving any authentication, just I'm configuring NTP basic service. Okay, if you want to have authentication, enable authentication, then you have to put a key and password. I just give the NTP basic configuration, NTP server on, service on in the second server, test server, then make the choose the correct date, current date March 25, March 6 to 25, then 11:25. Okay, time. After that, I have to go back to the theory. See, first step is configure router as NTP client. So what should I do is go to my router. Okay, I have to go to the router. So I don't remember the password, so I'll bypass the password. You should not do that. You should do the passwords, okay, properly. So I'll go here. The command is NTP server. This router has now become the NTP client. Okay. Before that, let me check the clock. What is the clock now shown in router? It is showing March 1st, 1993 and sometime 4:59. Okay. I want to make this time of the clock should be synchronized with the server time. Any current date March 6, 2025, and the time 11:27 like that. Okay. So I'll go to configuration mode and make this client NTP client talk to the NTP server. So the command is NTP space server. What is the server IP? In this case, 192.168.12.3. The IP address of this server. Okay, you can go and check here. 192.168.12.3. That I put here. Okay, done. Then what I need to do is I configure the server. Okay, inform the router that the NTP clients is you are the client and server is 12.3. Now verify NTP configuration using command show NTP status. Okay, before that, what I will do, I'll update the hardware clock. I want to update the hardware clock with the time learned from the NTP server. Okay, so this command is MTP update calendar. TP update calendar. Sorry, update spelling. Okay, calendar AR. Okay, after that I'll put do WR and let me check the NTP status. Show NTP status unsynchronized. You need to wait for few seconds. Okay, it's not the clock time not change, so we need to wait. You'll go for fast forward button. Okay, click this fast forward button. Then after few seconds, go back to the router and check again. The message has become synchronized or see this is unsynchronized. Still till now that clock between the server and the router is not updated. Okay, so we'll again do this one. Now it is synchronized. See, now I can check the clock time. Okay, so I'll check the clock time. Show clock. Let me see. Now see March 6, 2025. the time and the date is updated in the router. This is what called as NTP, Network Time Protocol Server. We make this server as NTP server and set the time and date, everything perfectly. Then make this router as NTP client. Then update the calendar. Then go and check the NTP status. It should be synchronized. Once it is synchronized, check the show clock. You will get the updated clock. Do the same in all the switches in head office, and like we did in head office, do the same in branch office. In the router as well as switches, update the NTP protocol. Okay. Again, repeating what is NTP, Network Time Protocol. It synchronizes the computer's clock time so that where whatever computer clock and date you put, that will be updated in the server. Whatever the time and date updated in the server, okay, that will be reflected in the NTP clients like router and switches. Okay. The task is first thing, computer configure the router as NTP client. So go to the router one. Okay, here it is. Which router? Head office router. Okay, go to the head office router. You configure the command NTP server 192.168.12.3. So this is an our client. This is contacting the server. NTP server is 12.3. Already told you. After that, update the calendar. Now the clock in the router will be updated based on the clock mentioned in the server. Then check the NTP status. You could see initially unsynchronized. Then go and click fast forward. After a few seconds, when you click again, try the command show NTP status. You could see it is synchronized. Then try show clock in the router. You could see the updated time. This is called as NTP, Network Time Protocol. Hope you understood. Okay. See you in the next video.